Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in Balmoral Heights community of St. Mary is this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home that has been lovingly renovated for the discerning homeowner. From its porcelain floors to its 10 feet high ceiling, it's a homeowner's dream. The primary bedroom consists of a soaking tub as well as a shower so the lady can luxuriate in her tub while the gentleman can relax in the shower. The kitchen is a cook's dream. Every appliance is perfectly situated with ample cupboards. In the backyard, there is an area set up for a barbecue and there is enough space to set up tables and chairs to dine in complete privacy. The house sits on 0.28 acres of land and the property is close to Ocho Rios and various beaches, restaurants, golfing and entertainment in the surrounding area. Do you have children in school? Well, no problem. Iona High is within close proximity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $375,000 or Jamaican $57.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.